Jumai bahanyo point iway magnitude mantaka sngi ulaki hathan Nongpoh balapan longru yaki border district ban penpa daka siren kenang baki pat ba kinlong pikir bat hakate gajing khanyu Jumai buna kijaka kila shakta nadu ka office deputy commissioner civil hospital Nongpoh ka school St Paul's Higher Secondary School ka petrol pump bat kawai ka karkhana habernihat balawan ra'ru gajing mensau brio ka basharkhei ha ka state level mock drill balapan long daka Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority ringkat kajing atrelang bat ka District Disaster Management Authority Ribhoi District. Ha katiga sngi kajing Khie utai Jumai nakaliang ki Board District ki pulit nadu ki NDRF, NEPA, Fire and Emergency Service, Civil Defence bat kiwe kila bunkam ban pelat ia ki pat ba ki basakut haki building ban yarap yaki bat ban ra'ru syaki jaka sumar lingba ki ambulance ban yo yaki lat jing yarap bakerki. Kathong jong kate ka mock drill kalong ban ai jing hikai yaki pat ba kumno bakin nang ban yada yalade habawan Jumai bat kijing Shaklen shop hakamai maryang kamtam ki pat ba kimdei ban kulmar jing mut lane lemwer hendai ban long jai bat bot yaki kandon haba ki don kinu kijing ja ban lait na kinu kijing ja bas ngosi kamtam ban yarap ru yaki bangat hakate kijing ja kumbana kapor syakapor la sakhiru baki pat ba ki jukhi khore bat kulmar jing mut habawan kijing len shop jong kamaryang kamtam Jumai dakaba mare bat len nyaru bat gane kawanra penban ka jingmai ki pat ba babun balang Henry bakin long ki balak krek lepa bat dei ban tip kumno ban pen krek habawan kum kite ki jingja lengba kum kite ki jing hikai.
As of Post the incident has happened, all the immediate response activities have been carried out, wherein the emergency team, that is the medical team, has been activated on time with all the ambulance services being provided. The first aid has been set up here at the St. Paul's School, which is the center, and all the medical facilities have been provided. And along with that, all the setup, that is the logistic departments and the management staging area, they are all getting themselves updated with the activities, and they are providing response on time. So we can see that the initial response is quite good, and but over a period of time it requires further more improvement, and that we'll see.